we'll guide you through how to understand what Replit is all about. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Replit's website by typing replit.com in the address bar. Replit is a powerful online platform that allows you to code, collaborate, and deploy apps right from your browser. Once you're on the site, you'll notice the clean and intuitive interface. You can start by signing up or logging in if you already have an account. Look for the Create Account button at the top right corner and click it. You can choose to sign up using your email or connect via other options like Google or GitHub. After signing up, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, you can create a new REPL, which is essentially a coding project. Click on the Create button, select your preferred programming language from the extensive list, and then hit Create REPL. Replit supports a variety of languages including Python, JavaScript, and C++. Once your REPL is created, you'll be directed to the Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. The IDE consists of a code editor, a console to run your code, and a files pane to manage your project files. You can write your code in the editor and simply hit the Run button to execute it. Replit also offers a community-driven approach where you can explore projects shared by other users and even collaborate with others in real time. Check out the Community tab to see what others are working on or to share your own projects. If you're just getting started with coding, Replit provides tutorials and templates to help you learn and create faster. This makes it a great tool for both beginners and experienced developers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.